Here's a quick video on how to do survey level assessments for students to get a baseline in order to create a goal. So we're going to log in 3287. From this home screen, you're going to click individual reports, and then it will give you select a student. You're going to want to make sure that, Karner Blue, it says Karner Blue. Make sure the grade range is big enough for the students that you're looking for. K8 will do the entire school. Then type in the first name of the student. For example, we're going to do the first part of Michaela's name and click on the name. So now we are in her individual page. We're going to go back and click benchmark. Then to the drop-down menu, click survey level assessment. Then we have the option to go over to the right and click new. This will give us all of the different measures, the subtests that we're going to be doing for her. For example, we can do Math Fact Fluency 10. It will give us the grade and the form. This will be in the purple binder, not the black binder for benchmarking, but the purple progress monitoring binder. So once you get that ready, you can click assess, and it will bring you to this page where you will begin the subtest, which will look like this. After that, you'll get a score on, it'll refresh on the page and it will look similar to this, and then we'll give you this plus sign that you can press and start making your goal. So that's how you survey level assess a student on Ames Web Plus.